Hello, in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to find foreclosure houses. If you're looking for foreclosure homes for sale on Zillow provides a dedicated foreclosure search that includes pre-foreclosures, foreclosure auctions, and bank-owned REO properties. And here is the process. You have to go to Zillow.com, launch a browser, click on Zillow.com, and you don't need to start from a special foreclosure website. Zillow's regular home search includes foreclosure filters. So on the Zillow homepage, just enter the city or the zip code. And that should actually search for me. Okay. So I selected that. So I selected my city and it's bringing me here. All right. So once you click on search and it takes you to the search page, it's going to load all the available properties in that city. Now, Zillow search system allows you to refine results using location and filters. So from the Zillow stop navigation menu, just go ahead and select, just hover to buy that's for sale. All right, and click on it. So once you're here, okay, at the top, right, not for sale, rather, click on hover over buy. All right, so once you hover over the buy option, which we have in here, you're going to see foreclosures. So just go ahead and tap foreclosures as the direct way to access foreclosure listings. So to select foreclosure, you should now be taken to Zillow's foreclosure search result for the relevant area. Now, if you've already performed a regular home search, you can also access foreclosures properties through the search filters by clicking on search and then check only the box that says foreclosures and click on active and click on apply. Still the same way. All right, so under the listing type, just you can just open more and you find, okay, but it says home nearby. We cannot find any matching results in Unity Me or okay, so maybe I have to like locate another city where I can find foreclosures. So now we have the foreclosure homes available here. So on the listing tab, that's the property tab. You can just go ahead and click on that and you have all of this that you can actually select if you want to. All right, so just select a category that actually matches the type of property that you are looking for under the property tab. So understand the different foreclosure categories. This is actually an important part of the search because not every property labeled as a foreclosure is in the same stage of the foreclosure process. Now, foreclosures are properties currently listed for sale that are owned by a bank or lender following foreclosure. Now, Zillow also describes this as bank-owned or REO properties. If it is foreclosed, then there are properties where the bank or lender has taken ownership through foreclosure proceedings and they may soon be listed for sale. If it is pre-foreclosures, it means these are properties where the lender has initiated foreclosure proceedings because the owner is in default. And Zillow notes that this category can also include properties for which a foreclosure auction has been cancelled. We also have auctions. These are properties being offered through a foreclosure auction rather than a conventional home sale. All right, so if your goal is to find a property that you can currently make an offer on through a normal listing, just pay particular attention to properties listed as foreclosure or bank owned or REO rather than assuming every pre-foreclosure is available for purchase. So now you have foreclosure, foreclosure, have active, and you can just go ahead and click on view more homes and select your home. So once you have found, you can also open bed and bath and select the number of rooms specifically that you want. It actually helps Zillow to narrow the search. If you want a particular home type, which you have here, this is where you can now check your home type. All right, So after applying all the filters, you can use Zillow Snap View to see where foreclosure properties are listed as well. And when you find an interesting property, just go ahead and click on its listing. It's going to take you to the listing page. So review available information. Don't assume that the foreclosure automatically means the property is a bargain. Okay, so just review everything. This is particularly important with pre-foreclosures, all right, because pre-foreclosure is not necessarily a property that you can simply purchase immediately. So it's important for you to actually review the same foreclosure, so you can contact an agent if you want to, or just go ahead and proceed to make payments. So review all of this, click on next, then you're interested, and follow through the prompt to make payment. So go by the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.